Hi, I'm Jillian.
And I'm Sophia, and we're 11th graders here at MCHS.
Welcome to our open house video and your sneak peek to our wonderful school.
Come along and we'll show you around.
Meet our administrative team. These are the leaders of our wolf pack. This is our principal, Mr. Clayton, one of our vice principals, Mrs. Cormier, our other vice principal, Mrs. Sampson, and our learning support facilitator, Mrs. Christensen.
Our school has many option classes to fit your needs. We have a band program that connects every grade, many different art classes to further your learning, urban agriculture where you can learn how to grow plants and butcher meat, and drama classes to polish your creativity. This is cosmetology. In cos, you get to learn how to do many things like hair, nails, and lashes. It's a very hands-on class that teaches you many tips and tricks.
Yeah, you should take this class.
We also have a fashions class where you can learn to sew, construction where you learn to work in a shop, and film studies where you can dissect and further understand films. This is our new and improved foods lab. In foods, you get to learn how to create new recipes. Speaking about new and improved, we recently renovated our entire CTS area, and if you've noticed, we have lots of shiny new appliances to help you create. Along with our super fun options, we also have core classes where we learn something new every day, like chemistry, physics, English, and social. Our sports teams truly pack a punch. Whether you play basketball, volleyball, badminton, curling, or golf, we have a place for you here. If you're any type of athlete, we'll gladly welcome you to the pack. MCHS! Now, if you thought that was good, you should definitely check out our highly skilled and insanely decorated cheer team.
Oops! Welcome to the drama room. Here at MCHS, we have an award-winning drama program with an extensive history of show-stopping productions.
Some of our past productions have included A Christmas Story, Newsies, and most recently, Legally Blonde. Our school features a RISE program, which is a respectful, inclusive, supportive education class. RISE focuses on areas of academic education as well as daily life skills. Our RISE students are a highlight of our school, and the RISE teachers could not be more supportive or encouraging. Here at MCHS, we have extremely kind and knowledgeable teachers. Oh my gosh! What do you think happened?
According to my calculations, I think she fell at a velocity of 2 meters per second.
Perhaps she underwent cardiac arrest? Peut-être elle est morte.
This is the grade 12 balcony. It's well known that as we work our way through the years here at MCHS, it's a privilege that we get at the very end. So the grade 12s feel a very special connection to it, and they want to keep the tradition going.
That was a sneak peek of our school.
If you want to see more, you should register and join the Wolf Pack.
We hope to see you soon.